very important in our lives, and this book that's been put together is just miraculous. It is so fun, and it's so appealing that I can't wait to see more.
Music, to me, saved my life as a high school kid. It pushed me to learn more about myself, that metacognitive state where you have to learn about yourself. I did that through music and writing music, and so that's why I think learning how to play guitar or any other music instrument or drawing or creating is going to help you become a better person.
And I was really excited to learn because we have so much art and art opportunities for kids here in Loveland and throughout the Front Range. So I think there's so many opportunities through the LISA program, and this starts them out much sooner. So I'm so happy that this is a project that's happening in our hometown.
It just tears my heart out to see that the arts are being downfunded, gotten rid of. It's just a shame because we live and breathe art every day and people don't even realize it. All of these cognitive abilities to see something that appeals to you helps define you as a person. And to not have the arts in the schools is absolutely shameful.
I'm pretty excited about this. Just this week I heard about when kids learn about art, especially music, when they learn music in early age, that they have a development in their learning skills over children that do not.
Can Colorado kids create?
Yes, they can!